Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the LOAAO 30x36 LED bathroom mirror. A perfect blend of style and functionality with its dual backlit and front-lit design that ensures optimal brightness for makeup, skincare, and grooming. This mirror offers a customizable experience with its dimmable brightness and 3-color temperature options, ranging from warm to natural to white light, all easily adjustable with a simple touch. Say goodbye to post-shower fog with its efficient defog feature, which activates quickly and automatically turns off after an hour, while the memory function conveniently recalls your last settings. Installation is a breeze with the included Z-bar brackets, and you have the flexibility to choose between plug-in or hardwired power options, allowing for both vertical and horizontal hanging. Crafted from 5mm tempered glass, this mirror is not only shatter-proof and explosion-proof but also provides a clear, distortion-free reflection, ensuring safety and durability in your bathroom. Keep in mind, the anti-fog feature is most effective at the center of the mirror due to its energy-saving design, which focuses the heating pad in that area. Enhance your bathroom experience with this sophisticated, reliable, and easy-to-maintain mirror, perfect for any modern home.